Welcome students. This is your fine arts painting theory class. Students, we are doing the paintings from modern trends in Indian art. Let's see the paintings. First one is Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean by Raja Ravi Verma. Second one is Mother and Child by Jamini Roy or Yamini Roy. Third one is Haldi Grinders by Amrita Shergill, and the fourth one is Mother Teresa by M.F. Hussain. So in this video we will go through the painting by M.F. Hussain. The painting is Mother Teresa. Before doing the description part, we will introduce the painter first. The painter is M.F. Hussain. Full name of M.F. Hussain is Maqbool Fida Hussain. He was born in Pandharpur, Maharashtra in 1915. He started his career as a banner painter of cinema. Later, in Mumbai, he joined Progressive Art Group and exhibited his paintings so that he got international fame. And he painted sketches in oil, acrylic, watercolor and charcoal, etc. He painted mostly horses, social life events, Ramayana and Mahabharata scenes, Buddha's life scenes, Bangladesh war scenes, painting of Madhuri Dixit and Madonna, etc. Expressing violence, injustice and dejection are the main subjects of their paintings. For his work, Government of India awarded him Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Hussain was associated with modernism and also known as the Picasso of India. Now let's start the painting Mother Teresa made by M.F. Hussain in watercolor. Period of the painting is 1997 and it is in the collection of National Gallery of Modern Art. The subject matter. This painting is from the Mother Teresa series. Hussain started Mother Teresa paintings since 1979 onwards. These paintings are done in different medium like watercolor, oil and acrylic, etc. In this painting, he has shown world famous affection Mother Teresa. She is famous for his care, devotion and love for orphans and destitute. Let's start the description of the painting. See the painting carefully because this is abstracted painting, and if we did not see it carefully or did not concentrate on the painting, it is difficult to understand the painting. So please concentrate on the painting. Hussain divided this painting into three vertical parts by two conical pillars of yellow ochre and light brown color. The central portion is larger than other two portions. In the left side, Mother Teresa is shown in sitting position. A nude child is shown in her lap and he is in yellow ochre color. In this portion, Mother Teresa has been shown wearing yellow sari with blue border. In this painting, Hussain painted her face featuresless in dark tone. Sari defines the outline of mother's face and cover her head. The sari actually is symbolic uniform of the nuns of orphanage and home run by Mother Teresa. In the middle of the portion, mother and her devotee dressed up like mother are shown. Both are in white sari. Mother's sari is having blue border and her devotee's sari is plain. Mother's raised hand is in blessing mode. It is similar to Abhay Mudra, to assure the needy to have no fear and have faith in the healing power of God. A sick man in Indian red color is laying in mother's lap, covering the whole space of the canvas from left to right. His left leg is also in mother's lap and an attendant is touching his hand. The white veil of the mother's is shown extending towards the other portion. The faceless entity is to establish her universal motherhood, for which caste, color and religion is unimportant. Hussein's lines are sharp and full of expressions. Mostly colors are flat, light and dark tones can be seen in few places. Colors used in these paintings are of white, yellow ochre, Indian red, blue and green. It is well composed and well balanced painting. So this is the description of the painting. Thank you.